Hey guys, Matt here this morning. It got something exciting coming this morning. We got 2 new dragons to add to our collection coming from Fire and Ice Dragons. I'm getting ready to walk out the door and head on over here to FedEx and pick them up. It's a cold morning. They usually arrive here at the house by 10:30, but I like to run on down there and get them by between 8:30 or 9 when they arrive at the station, so I can get back here to home and there won't be any delays with traffic or anything. Get them in their enclosures, warmed up, get them eating, and make sure that they're healthy. So stay with me here. I'll be right back. All right, I got them here. Just got back at the house, getting ready to run in here to the dragon room and open up this box right here. Live harmless lizards. So I'm excited to show you these 2 new ones. Let's just keep it a surprise as to what colors they are until we get in here. All right, everybody, I'm back here in the dragon room and we're getting ready to open this package right now and show you my last 2 dragons that I'm adding to the dragon collection. Let's see what colors they are. Here we go. The suspense is up. Now we're opening the styro here. Alright, I'm going to show you how they're nicely packed down in here. This one's under the under his little paper here, and there's another one below it. Let me pull these containers out here and we'll show them to you. Man, they did a good job of Terry over at Fire and Ice did a very good job of packaging these dragons. And if I didn't already tell you, these 2 dragons are from fireandicedragons.com. They're renowned for their purebred citrus and purebred fire dragons. And let me pop these out of here before I tell you what colors they are. These are a couple that we had pre-ordered from Special Clutches. Wow, they did a great job. Whoever, if it was her or Adam over there that packaged these up, I believe that's his name. Still real warm in here. They make sure they got heat packs. Alright, here's our first guy right here. Both of these dragons are males. Let me get this tape off of here. Both the dragons I have here today. Actually, I'm sorry. One dragon's a male, one's a female. This one's suspenseful because look at this. Look at this. Oh, you can't even see it. It's underneath the paper towel. All right, here we go. Whoa. Ooh, pretty. All right, so check this out. This is a purebred fire. This one's a translucent leatherback. Let me pull it out of here. We've got to get these things. I got to be quick. I want to get them out, get them into the enclosure, and get them misted with some warm water. Check out this little baby here. This is a pretty one. They never show their full colors coming straight out of the box until they get all warmed up and maybe a few sheds, because this one's still a baby, but this one's pretty. Got the solid black eyes. Check that out. Let's see if I can get that into focus for you. All right, I'm gonna put it down in here. That one is from their purebred fire line. It is a leatherback. It's male and it's a translucent. And its parents, if you're looking on their website, its parents are Lucy and Torch. All right, now let's get on to the second dragon that we got today. Is a super citrus female. It's from their purebred super citrus line. Its parents are Samson and Sunflower. So if you're looking on their website, you can look up the 2 parents and you'll see exactly what this dragon came from. It's a little bit bigger one because it's one that we've been waiting on. This thing might jump out of here. It's used the bathroom in here just a little bit, but This one's gonna be super pretty. They say these super citrus dragons just get more pretty after each shed. Whoa, there it goes, there it goes. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful one too. Let's see if here. Come on, little girl. Let's see if we can show her. Check that out right there. Yeah. All right, let me get these guys in their enclosure. Well, the guy and girl in their enclosure. Get the lights, get everything warmed up, get them misted with warm water. I got to feed them their greens, get some crickets and stuff in them. And later on today, when I get back, I'll give you some more footage of maybe them eating or how they're doing, and show some more video of them then. Guys, I just wanted to show you that the Super Citrus is in here, and she's already started eating some of her greens. This is just a little temporary enclosure, and till we get the big enclosures built at the new location, probably in the next month or so. But she's already started eating the greens. This little guy right here, he's under a little different light, so it looks a little bit different, but he hasn't gone to the greens yet, but he's definitely looking at them, and we'll be over there soon. And in about an hour or so, we'll offer some crickets and other live feeders to get them eating on those. All right, I'm back, and I'm going to offer some live now, and let's see if this Super Citrus will eat this live. Here we go, guys. Look at this. Oh, my goodness. She's running around like a fool. Let's see if... Uh-oh. Crickets everywhere. All right, let's see if she's going to see these live crickets that I'm dumping in here. Oh, yeah, she's seeing them. She might be a little spooked by the camera. There she goes. She's eating them. She's just a little bit slow. Just now getting warmed up. Oh yeah, there she goes. She's gonna be eating good. And when we get back later this evening, we will feed them again. Feed them about once every hour or so, and till they get good to go. And then over the next couple of days, we'll feed them 3 times a day like we have our other dragons here. I can't wait till this thing sheds out a few more times and gets that good yellow coming in. All right, guys, it's later in the day. I'm back here at the house in the dragon room to come check on these dragons one more time, the ones that I showed you we opened this morning. And let's flip the camera around and we'll take a look at these guys right now. The fire red translucent leatherback. He's doing nice. He ate some greens. He ate some of his crickets today. He's gonna be good. Weighing in at about 18 grams. And right here, let's take a look at the female Super Citrus leatherback. She was weighing in at about 50 grams, a little bit heavier than what they even told me she was. So that's nice, and she ate well today, really good. So I'm really happy with that. I want to take you right over here and show you. This is Red Boy. I know of showed you this one in previous videos, but Red Boy, got to clean up a little bit of his greens, but he ate greens well today too. He's weighing in now at 68 grams, big jump from 24 grams last month. But Red Boy is a fire red hypo, and he's het for translucent, and he also came from Fire and Ice Dragons. So guys, everything's looking good, and I just want to give a last minute shout out to Terry and I believe Adam over at Fire and Ice Dragons. Go check them out at fireandicedragons.com. I'll leave the links down below. and I just appreciate them getting me these dragons quickly and safely, and I can't wait to grow these things up into adults and see what the colors look like when they shed. Don't forget to go hit the subscribe button over there and like our video and hit the bell when you hit the subscribe button so that you will be able to see every time I upload a video. I try to upload at least 1 or 2 videos a week. So appreciate all y'all watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. What up, fam? Heading to lunch from the work spec house. Got Tim, the tool man, Frank over here. Show me that new lunchbox, Tim.
There she is.
Look. It is built. I know that's probably backwards, but built. Or tlib. Maybe it's tlib. Facebook Live right now. We're just gonna let a few people join before we get going. But anyway, I just want to let y'all know that if you're looking at me in this camera, I've got it on the selfie mode, and actually my right nostril is my left nostril. Hey, did you bring that ink pen with you so I could write some checks, Tim?
No, I didn't.
All right.